Hello, this is Scott from Lightspeed Analytics with another powerful training video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use filters to master your reports. To start, let's go down to our good old dusty inventory report. Let's see what we get here. Oh man, looks like we have so much old inventory sitting around tying up our cash that we've reached our row limit of this report. Well, before I throw up my hands and write off the problem as too big to tackle, I'm going to take control of the situation by using some filters. By clicking into the filters section at the top of the report, I see it is filtered to show items on hand that have been received more than 180 days ago and have no sales history in the last 180 days. It's also filtered on items that have at least one in stock, of course. Oh, what does or is null mean, you may ask? Well, items that show a null result for days since received were never entered into a purchase order. So we have no idea when they were received. Don't tell me you're not using purchase orders. Items that show a null result, days since sold, have absolutely no sales history to report. So sad. Okay, let's cull the herd here and change the days since received filter to 365. And I'll tell you what, let's add another filter. I'm going to type in cost in the search bar here, and I'm going to click the filter button next to average cost. I'm going to change this drop-down menu to is greater than, and I'm going to put in 100. Let's hit run again. And boom, our list is significantly smaller. So now we can tackle all the top offenders. These are items that have been received longer than 365 days ago, have no sales history in the last 180 days, have more than one on hand, and have an average cost greater than 100. More importantly, I know exactly where to focus my efforts now because I want to work on selling the most expensive items first and work down the list from there. Okay, that concludes another powerful Lightspeed Analytics training video. Don't forget to check out our Help Center for more information and videos developed to help your store become more profitable and help you save time.